We bring a unique mix of both academia backgrounds and real world backgrounds, and we combine those to prepare students to really meet the challenges of the current business environment and the future business environment.
It just challenges me. You have to stay on top of your work and go see your professors. You have to take the initiative to be able to be like, I want this for myself, not because I just need to get through this, but just to learn and become a learner.
We're really there to meet the students where they are academically. So not only in the classroom, but in the office and also on teams. I'm communicating with students. Our faculty communicates with students continuously to make sure they get the support that they need, especially in accounting with it being such a rigorous program.
They treat you like any other person. You're not just like a student-professor situation. You can be friendly, have a more like professional coworker even relationship. I think that's awesome.
They understand you and they're not going to just like overlook you as a student. They're not going to push you in the wrong direction. Like I have all those professors that care and they want to see me succeed.
I think by far the thing that we're most proud of as a department is the success of our graduates. I think that's an amazing testament to a job well done when somebody who graduates with a major from your department goes out into the real world and really succeeds.
We truly have a lot of students, our longstanding department members. They all have connections with the local community. They get phone calls asking for, hey, we have a job opening. Do you have any promising seniors who want to work with us?
I feel very prepared to go into an interview, and I feel prepared to go into the world just knowing exactly what I need to do.
They're very well educated. They know what they're talking about. They know what they do. They've done it obviously in the past, and they just experienced it before I did, and now they're just teaching our generation.
Show them that they are more than they ever thought they could be. And I think that's what we do really well, is bring out the best in people who may start as underachievers.